In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change grid lines on Wix. If you're working on designing a Wix website, understanding how to adjust the grid lines can be incredibly useful for organizing your content and ensuring everything is aligned perfectly. Let's walk through the steps together, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to manage your grid lines like a pro. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Wix website editor. This is your one-stop shop for making all the necessary adjustments to your Wix site. If you haven't done so already, log into your account and head straight to the editor. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can manipulate various elements of your website. Next, look towards the upper part of the interface and locate the Tools option. Clicking on this is crucial because it reveals a variety of options, including the grid lines that we're focusing on today. By enabling or disabling certain tools, you can customize your editing experience to suit your precise needs. After you've clicked on Tools, the next logical step is to select Grid Lines. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly do grid lines do? Well, in the context of web design, grid lines are visual guides that help you align and space out elements of your website symmetrically. They act as a framework to ensure that your design is balanced and pleasing to the eye, which is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple content types or image placements on a page. Once you've grasped the grid lines, let's move on to something that complements your design layout greatly: rulers. To access rulers, you'll revisit the Tools menu. Rulers, much like grid lines, serve an important function in web design. While grid lines help with the overall layout, rulers provide a precise measurement to ensure that every element is not just visually aligned, but also quantitatively balanced. This is particularly useful when you're trying to adhere to exact dimensions for images or text blocks. In summary, navigating through the Wix website editor to access and adjust grid lines and rulers is a straightforward process that can enhance your website's design. Start by heading to the editor, open the Tools menu, and toggle on the grid lines to visualize your layout better. Then, don't forget about the rulers, accessible the same way, to give you finer control over your design's precision. Armed with this knowledge, you'll find that your website's aesthetics and functionality will improve immensely. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't hesitate to test out these tools on your own Wix site. Until next time, happy designing!